Okay, so this is the CBR1000RR Fireblade 2013 model that I took to Santa Pod last week. It performed faultlessly. Biggest problem is it's got way too much power for the wheelbase, and I had lots of trouble keeping the front end down, which wasn't really achieved, as you'll see in the video that's coming up. Running 270 horsepower. The Supercharger's real neat installation. At this moment in time, we haven't coloured the belt guard, but as you can see, it's all there. Just no limit on ground clearance. Nicely tucked away. Air filters high up on the other side, so again, no problem with ground clearance. And
what sort of power is it making?
270 horsepower, and with a bit of luck, sweet as. So all the production parts are now away, being powder coated, anodized, Xylon coated, whatever. So we've got 10 kits that are going onto the shelves. My first customer in Australia, Demir, his kit will be out to him next week. And yeah, good stuff.